Looking for the perfect reusable water bottle to keep you hydrated throughout the day? Whether you need one for work, the gym, or travel, we've got you covered with the best options for durability, insulation, and style. Our channel delivers quality product reviews daily, helping you make informed choices. Stay tuned as we break down the top picks to find the perfect fit for you. Number 1. HydroJug Pro. If you're looking for a bottle that holds a ton of water, the 73-ounce HydroJug Pro is probably the one for you. This jug is massive. Wired reviewer Lauren Stramp uses hers to hit her hydration goals, and she especially loves that she doesn't have to refill it more than once a day. 9 out of 10, Wired recommends. If it wasn't clear, this is no compact bottle I would recommend traveling with. But if you so happen to be brave enough to take it outside, HydroJug has fun neoprene sleeves, too, complete with pockets and a carrying strap. Perhaps fill it to the brim and turn your stroll into a weighted workout. The Pro HydroJug still has the wide mouth opening and a redesigned integrated handle. You can rest easy knowing all of our Pro HydroJugs are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Number 2. Fellow Carter Carry Water Bottle. Fellow's newest insulated water bottle is relatively tall and thin, with a squared metal carry loop that comfortably fits 3 fingers. The Carter holds temps for several hours. They claim it can keep water cold for 24 hours, but mine was at room temperature by the end of a long day. What I really like about this bottle, though, is the actual drinking. The Carter has a slightly tapered lip like a wine glass, which helps avoid spillage, and the ceramic interior coating means that the water coming out of the bottle tastes just like it did going in. The tapered thin lip mimics a Cabernet glass for great tasting easy sipping and a wide mouth that allows you to take in the full aromas of your beverage for an amplified drinking experience. Spend less time washing your water bottle by hand. Simply pop your Carter and lid into the dishwasher to get them clean. The interior ceramic coating will come out clean. Number 3. Hydro Flask Standard Mouth Water Bottle. Before Stanley took over the internet, Hydro Flask was the choice of Visco girls everywhere. It's also a favorite of outdoorsy folks or anyone else who wants a bottle that is not easily damaged. Hydro Flask has several types of bottles and caps for your liking, and there's even a tumbler if you were hoping for a 40-ounce Stanley, though we haven't tried this one yet. There are a bunch of fun color options, and if you buy from Hydro Flask, many are customizable and engravable. You can choose one color for the bottle, another for the lid, and depending on which one you're getting, yet another for the strap or straw. Made from durable stainless steel, this bottle features double-wall vacuum insulation, which helps keep your beverages cold for up to 24 hours and hot for up to 12 hours. The standard mouth design provides a comfortable drinking experience, while the flex cap ensures a secure, leak-proof seal and easy portability. Whether you're heading to the gym, office, or outdoors, the Hydro Flask delivers top-tier performance, durability, and style. Number 4. Owala FreeSip Twist. The girlies love Owala's FreeSip, 9 out of 10, Wired recommends, and I get it now. It's insulated, so the water stays cold all day, even during Midwest summers. Its innovative design caters to the majority. You can sip from either the built-in straw or the chug spout. A standout feature is the dishwasher-safe lid, which means you can just throw the built-in straw and lid into the machine for easy cleaning, though I personally prefer hand washing for extra care. The color options are another highlight. With so many vibrant combinations available, from sunny days to sleepy lavender, there's surely one to match your style. I prefer the newest twist cap version, which I'm testing alongside the classic one. I've noticed the lock can feel a bit flimsy on the latter, and I trust a twist cap more when it comes to preventing spillage. Also, at just 18 ounces, it's lightweight enough to carry post-workout without straining my arms when they already feel like noodles. Number 5. Nalgene Sustain Triton BPA-free Water Bottle. Today's youth love their wide-leg jeans and Nirvana t-shirts, but ask any 90s kid and they'll tell you that the look is incomplete without the water bottle of our times, the classic Nalgene. Originally made of bulletproof and BPA-rich Lexan, the Nalgene was the original name-band water bottle, a symbol of good taste and outdoorsy vibes to be toted between Planet Hollywood and Blockbuster. The Nalgene had a complete chokehold on the premillennial culture, propping up water at a time when Surge and Josta were at such ready supply that human beings may well have stopped consuming plain water entirely were it not for the Nalgene. They've replaced the chemically plastic with modern materials like Tritan, which is BPA-free and made of half-recycled plastic, but it otherwise remains a perfect bottle, carrying a reasonable day's supply of fluid with a secure screw-top lid, handy measurement lines, and a wide mouth to facilitate easy cleaning, unlike the bacteria-teeming straws on those adult sippy cups. Martin Sismer.